A man has been taken into police custody after he was nabbed in Kingston on Wednesday for having over 500 outstanding traffic tickets, along with 2 warrants out for his arrest. Head of the Police Highway and Traffic Division, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen, is concerned that after the 2 traffic ticket amnesties, motorists are still not compliant. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
2 traffic ticket amnesties issued between August 2017 to January 13, 2018, raking over $700 million. But although the second traffic ticket amnesty ended over the weekend, some motorists were not compliant. Head of the Police Highway and Traffic Division, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen, said during a police operation along the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine on Wednesday, 1 motorist was found with over 500 outstanding traffic tickets and 2 warrants out for his arrest.
So naturally, he was taken into custody and he was taken before the court. I now learned that he has so far paid over some money based on some of those warrants that has been executed on him. He is still in custody as we speak, and I know that he will be facing the court again come next month.
Mr. Allen says his department will be intensifying strategies against persons who are found in breach of the Road Traffic Act, and he's issuing this warning to motorists.
You don't have to have 500 tickets for you to find yourself being inconvenienced. 1 ticket is sufficient. If it is left unchecked, you don't honor the payment date, you don't honor the court date, then that ticket is now on its way to become a warrant. And it is really not in our purview just to inconvenience anyone, but all we are doing is enforcing the law.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.